Guys, this is not a drill, okay? You might have heard the title on the video, but just in case you can't read, I will tell you. This is really serious. I am not joking. This is very serious, okay? So hear this. So, just in case if you don't guys hear an emergency alarm system, there's a tornado coming like on south of Colorado Springs. So and damages to vehicles and roofs can be expected. And also, do not go outside. If you ever spot a tornado today, then you better get in. And if you heard it, and you better check your phones, because if you hear an emergency system alarm on your phone, then you better go into the basement. If you live in a house that has no basement, or if you're in a vehicle right now, you must find the nearest floor and take shelter from strong winds. So for your safety, go to the lowest floor of a building and stay away from windows at all costs, because the tornado can break the windows and it can cause damage to your windows. Also bring all your favorite belongings down so you don't get destroyed by the tornado too. Like, go to the basement and go into like a bathroom and closets, which has least chances of having windows, unless if you live in a fancy house or something. Then just stay away from windows until the tornado stops. That's all I have to say. And if you're watching this in the future, then maybe you will already know what to do if there's a tornado. But okay, I just want to warn you guys about a tornado in Colorado Springs if you live in Colorado Springs, or if you live in a place that has a lot of tornadoes or something. But that's all I want to tell you. Bye, and make sure to follow it, or else you will die.